Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. I will get to some of these newer titles, but it will take some time to get in my collection because I'm trying to get caught up with some TV shows this spring and summer. But Texas Chainsaw Massacre is not something that I watched, so I don't know the franchise well. I have the original cover, and I got the remake cover, and I didn't have part 2. Um, so, yeah, I just never got to watch a lot of these old movies that came up, and just starting to get them in my collection. MGM. Value for this one is $20, what I pay for it, but it's listed a lot more than that, so I'm putting the value closer to $40, $50 as well. Old plastic. I don't know if that does anything to preserve it. Putting on paper in there. I guess that's what they do with the older movies. Some kind of paper. But these are the old covers I want because they do get lost or remade. I think it also is available on VHS from what I've seen, but I never had it for VHS, so I have it for DVD, the original cover, part 1. I never had part 2. So I don't know if there's a part 3 or not, but if there is, I'll try to get to it come next year. I'll start picking and choosing some of these different parts for older movies I don't have yet. And there's still a few of them I don't have, so I'll need to take at least this year to get caught up with my collection. But I'll try to get to a few of them this year. So thanks for watching. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2, and this is the original cover. I don't know if there's a remake cover or not, but there might be because I know there are something different cover out there for part 2. So I'll try to get the original in my collection first. If I cannot get it, I'll try to get some kind of box that has like part 1 and part 2. As long as I have part 1 first, then I'm okay. Part 2 and part 3 will be just like something extra if I really want to watch it. But I never watched Texas Chainsaw Massacre, so I don't really know this franchise that well and how many seasons there are. 2 it goes on, 3 and 4, or just part 1 and part 2. But I don't know, not something I watched much. Maybe put it in once back then, but I don't have a memory for it, so I don't know. I'll have to rewatch it soon. A lot of these I get and they just get put on the shelf, but hopefully I get to watch some of them this year.